Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to appear offline on Roblox. So, let's get started. First, open Roblox on your PC. Once you are there, you'll see a gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. And then from the menu, click on the settings. Once you are in the settings, in the settings menu, click on privacy. Once you are there, now, to appear offline, scroll down and find the section that says who can join me in experiences. Change this setting to no one. This will prevent anyone from joining you while you're playing. Now scroll up. And for extra privacy, you can also change who can message me to no one. This will stop messages from coming through. If you want to go completely invisible, head over to communication settings and turn everything off. This ensures that no one can see when you're online or try to reach you. And there you have it. You're now playing Roblox in stealth mode, free to enjoy your games without interruptions. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.